Welcome to another Project Bimmer video. This 1995 BMW E36 318i, and in this video I'm going to start tearing it apart. So finally it's time to start tearing this front end down and hopefully fitting some replacement parts. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take these grills off. So this one is a bit pushed in. I was hoping I could take them out by hand, but this might be a little bit difficult. And what's happened is the impact's here and it's just pushed this out a bit, so if I can maybe push the bottom of this front panelling, because this bit's fine, just needs, just try pry it out. So I can push this tab in. Well, these are well and truly stuck, so I might have to give that a miss and come back to it a bit later on. So next I'm going to try is get this headlight out. So to take this light out, it's held in various spots with 8mm bolts. Little impact. As you can see, this headlight took the brunt of it all. So I've only taken an indicator out so I can get this last bolt. So with the right adapter, should be able to get to it quite easy enough. Might be a bit overkill, but no, that's not going to work. So I hope this is going to reach. Not quite. Need an extra adapter, so I'll be right back. So with the correct extension, it's got to be 3/8 on this. We'll get an 1/2 inch. Should. And I just lost my bloody socket. So this headlight should come out. I've got this right. What else to? Got a sneaky suspicion I might have forgotten something here. So I need to take this off. It's just 4 screws, so should be easy enough. So I'll just get some screws and we can get this panel undone. Got what I need, so time to get these screws out. So I suspect there's another bolt for this headlight that I've missed. Let's see if I've got everything out. Oh, there's a couple more on the front here that I missed. So remember, be gentle with these. I should be able to get this off. I don't think there's anything else keeping it in that I can see. These are like plastic rivets. So push them out. And there we go. There. I've suffered a little bit of damage, but nothing too bad. And yeah, I can see another screw, another one down there. So it's held in by 4 8mm. And I need to retrieve that socket and then do a drop. To the aperture where the fog light was. So with my socket retrieved, time to get this last bolt out. There we go, the 4th and final bolt screw, which means the headlight should come out. Should be nothing stopping this. There we go. Just tilt it up. And what's broken? And just disconnect everything. Which is just a unscrew connector, and that connector, and that's the whole broken headlight out. I might as well take that indicator unit out at the same time. A broken bulb. I don't have any spare chrome one, so I'll just put the number in. So as you can see, this is where all the damage occurred, but as you can see, the slam panel's intact. The crash bar looks to be intact. Obviously no damage to the inner panel, a bit of dent on the outer wing there. But I reckon I should be able to knock that out. So I think I'll try that, try tapping it out. Now, I want to point out I'm not a Bodywork guy, but doesn't mean I can't have a go. So see if I can tap this dent out from behind. Oh, there's special Bodywork tools that I've got to measure what I've got. Probably need something a bit wider, so I'll just try from tap it from the other end. That's the headlight out. Well, I've had an idea. Rather than just knock it out, push it out with a clamp. So get a block of wood on this side and just turn it. Get it in the right spot. Just turn it up. It should push the dent out. That's the theory. So yeah, in the right spot, just push it in and straighten that dent out. It's less bodywork to do on this wing. Whether it's going to work, it's another thing. No, just clamped it in, just try taking the clamp out. I think it has worked a bit, yeah, hasn't it? It's pushed it out. So I'll just try again. Let's get this positioned slightly differently. So yeah, I think I've managed to push it out a bit more. See if I can get it out a bit more, even more. Bad working out the camera as well. No, I'm not going to get it any better, but it's definitely an improvement in last filler when I come to that stage. So I'm happy with that for now. So back to these grills. Now I've taken this panel off here. Could probably try and just bashing it out. I've got replacement grills anyway. So maybe we could try pushing this back in. Like I said, I'm not too worried about these grills. I've got replacements, as you saw in the previous video. And now I can should be able to get get this grill out anyway. Try not to lose my hammer. Get a screwdriver, it might help. And I managed to get that one out, so that's one out, one to go. It's hammer time. Let's see if I can. That's both grills out. Actually, that one, they don't look too bad. There's a bit of damage on them, but they're not too bad. And you can see where it's all bent, so it should be a bit easier to push back into place. Ideally, this needs to come off, but it involves taking that headlight off. So that's what it takes, that's what it takes. So the next thing I'm going to do is take this bumper off, and it's 430mm nuts. I decided number plate. Oops. That rusted has got stuck in my socket. So that's one side done, and yes, I'm missing this trim piece. I've ordered a replacement. Just to get the other side off. Don't know whether you can see it from here. I've got two more here. I just felt that move, so just carefully liberate the bumper. It should just slide off. As if that's just a theory. And the reality tends to be something different. Yep, that's sliding off. It should just slide straight off. This bumper's been on probably since it left the factory in Munich. So, a bit more collateral damage. isn't this side coming off? That's the question. And some more stuff. This bumper is attached to the wheel arch liner, so that's why it's not coming off. So not as simple as the 4 bolts. And I think it'd be a bit awkward to video, so see if I can liberate the rest of this bumper. I've decided not to take the bumper off completely, but what I need to do is to replace the fog light on this side. It looks like it's held in by some screws. Yeah, 2 there. That's a bit hard for you to see. So, I won't get them impacts, I'm not going to try. But with the bumper partly out, it does give me a bit more room. I don't want to risk landing those screws if I might just get in the impact. Yeah, there's just about enough room. I managed to get it off a bit more, it gives me more room. Not what I'd planned. And I've trimmed my screws before I forget. Just rip that off. That just gives me more room to get this bumper out. Not bumper out, get the fog light out. So that's the second screw out. What do I do with that first screw? Where I left on that block of wood. So 2 out, 2 to go. Just move you guys so I can pull this bumper out. Get to these last 2 screws. You can see one in there. A bit awkward to get to. Pin in the you-know-what. That screw up before I lose it. So just this last screw will get out. Don't risk rounding it off. I'll try with the impact. There's not only 4 screws, is there? There's an 8mm nut. I think it's 8mm. It's like... No, can't get in with impact. So, and then I remembered this extension bar is, it's like a wobble, so I should get in with it for this. There we go. And that's what's left of our fog light out.